Guys, andito kami sa baba ngayon. Magdidilig lang ako. Yes. Magdidilig lang ako. Hawak ko lang itong aking camera. Yeah. Ayan. Akala ko kasi hindi pa ka magdidilig. Ayan. Ganun lang. Ayan, dinidiligan lang. Dinidiligan ko. Nakalimutan namin dalhin yung yung sprinklers. Ayan. Akala ko hindi mainit ngayon. Amin malamig. Ano ba yan? Diligan natin. Ayan, oh. Basa na yung aking camera. Basa na yung camera ko. Andito kami sa labas, guys. Natutuwa ako sa akin eggplant saka sa akin bell pepper. Pero yung akin sitaw nanganganap na talaga. Nanganganap na sila. Ayan, oh. Natalsik yung tubig. Natalsik yung tubig, guys. Ganda talaga may sprinkler. Basa na yung sapatos ko. Yan. Ibang klaseng pagdilig ko, guys. Nakalimutan namin ng sprinkler eh. Isang kamay ko dito sa kabila. Ginagaya ko lang yung pagdilig nila ganito. Yan. Thank you, Bob. Yeah. Say hi to Stella.
What's this plant here?
That's
Lemongrass.
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 Yes.
We use that to cook.
This is my neighbor.
Boiled meat,
Right here.
fish.
Yeah.
For flavoring?
Yeah.
for flavoring. It's real good.
Lemongrass.
And that thing grows a lot. Yeah.
Yeah.
And
Maybe
here?
This is potato.
yums.
Yums. This is yums.
Yeah.
This is potato.
Oh. Uh-huh.
Yeah.
A couple of years ago, that one spot next to the hoses, I planted all potatoes in there.
Okay.
It was interesting. The
Yeah.
plants were
When you
pretty.
pull it out and you so many things in the bottom.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I didn't harvest as many potatoes as I thought.
Yeah.
Those are my neighbor.
So,
But it was fun growing them.
yeah, we just kind of stuck it to the ground, Just, that's good.
Well, you guys have a good day.
All right, you too.
Thank you so much, Bob.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
It's probably twisted.
Yeah, here.
Just leave it there.
Yan. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Nakapagdilig na naman kami. Yeah. Nakaka-inspire itong mga garden namin dito. Okay, guys. Bye. Daddy, not yet. Mayroon pa dito sa gilid eh. Hindi pa tapos. Yung doon.
You want me to do it?
Yeah.
You have to release it.
Yeah. I-release ko itong ano. Yan. May mga host dito eh. May mga host dito. Pupunta kami ng tindahan pagkatapos namin magdilig. Ayan. Teka muna, punasan ko yung camera ko masyado. Na ano yata. Na basa. Talsik ng tubig. Nakakatuwa ito guys. Ayan oh. Ito yung ano namin. Kapatis na aming kapitbahay. Nakakatuwa. You know what guys? Look at this. May strawberry tanim ang aking kapitbahay. Ayan oh. Wow! Okay, tapos na kami magdilig guys. Tapos na kami magdilig.
I got it.
Yan. Pupunta tayong tindahan guys. Makabili lang ng ano. Kailangan namin. Wala kami ng ano yung mga toiletries. Ang hangin, malamig naman siya ang hangin. Malamig ang hangin. Pero yung ano, hindi siya katulad ng isang araw na masyadong mainit. Sobrang init ng isang araw. Yeah. Ngayon ano pa lang, 9:30 ng umaga dito. Ayun lang guys.